project digital parking system designed to manage vehicle entry and exit using DLS objective. Here's uh, I uh, here's I will cover the presentation. Here's what I am will continue today. I will start overview of a project and design an automated digital parking control system and implement a counter for car entry and exit tracking, design a 5 timers circuit, and also show the pool or space available in show 7 segment display, and also so on. Introduction. Uh, in this slide, in this slide, uh, this presentation is creating about digital parking system control vehicle entry and exit. And also it use counter and 7 segment display. When the garage is full, it shows full. And also when the garage space is available, it shows available. Uh, The maximum hold up to cars 13 cars is the maximum capacity of car holding. This system controlled by 555 timers, counters, 7 segment displays, and the 555 timers stable mode. System component. Uh, Mainly we used 4 component in this project, and up counter 4-bit up down counter to count the cars, 7 segment display to shows full or available cars in garage, 345 timer circuit in stable mode to handle the system, FSM controller to handle uh, to manage the system. Flow diagram overview. In this flow diagram, we shows all about of overview our project, how the cars is entry or exist, and how the show full, how the show in garage full or available space, and so on. And also uh, how the work system uh, cars entry or exit counter increase or decrease its use counter 0 to 13 is binary code 000001010 and so on. And we designed this project using JK flip-flop, and this is the iteration table. TSTL calculation. TSTS calculation, the variable given by our ID. We calculate the space available display fee equal 50 if the frequency is 80 Hertz and duty cycle is 50% on this project. And to get the duty cycle TS 40 millisecond. FSM design concept. When the parking system full, the display always stay on. If there's space available, the display using a 345 timer. When I choose a capacitor, 205 microfarad and 50 microfarad, and calculate resistance value using 345 timer. Formula to get correct TS and TL value. In this slide, finite state machines control display logic. I have 8-bit state in total, 4 for on and 4 for off time. We use 3-bit to represent the output design switch on the 1 millisecond clock signal and given right